The U.S. 10-year Treasury note has broken past 110.05 definitively, encroaching into middle of the vacuum zone between 110.05 and 110.27. The next target, the KMIR flat, and we are running into resistance, so expect a pullback to 110.05. If that caves, we could test 109.19 again. Gold collapsed, retracing much of its gains from $2,713 to $2,603, then recovered slightly. It is testing $2,643 from below. A breakout could make a run for $2,686. We expect $2,603 to hold from below. If gold rejects current levels, stocks retraced from highs. The S&P 500 tested 5,970 after rejecting 6,033. Though we have recovered much of the sell-off, the KMIR still weak, and a red triangle on the KRI seems to confirm resistance at 6,007 or so. We expect to explore the value area between 6,003 and 5,970, which are the targets above and below, respectively. Oil tested $68.96 and appears to be making a run for $70 again, but is facing resistance at $69.67. If we can best these levels, then $71 is the next target. Though $68.96 should provide support, $67.91 is the next support level below. The DXY made a great effort to hit our next target at 108.50, but fell short in the low 108s and retraced sharply back to comfort in the low 107s. At the time of this writing, we are flirting with 107.00. Expect support below from 106.13. The next target above is 107.20. Then perhaps we can consider another attempt at 108.50. Bitcoin sold off significantly after coming just shy of the psychological $100,000 level. There is a huge iceberg on the order books at this level, so expect prohibitive resistance there for the time being. As predicted, levels in the $92,000s are providing support. If these fail, then $89.6K should hold. A pivot could make a run for $97.7K again. Ethereum rejected relative highs and retraced back to $3,324, which we expected to hold. Watch the vacuum zone below to $3,200, a strong and auspicious level. If we can pivot, $3,416 is the next target above. Litecoin has given up the $90s and is finding support in the $89s at the time of this writing. Though the overall trend is bullish, we have seen extreme volatility. A pivot could make a run for $100 again, though we expect $89 to hold. $87.20 is the next support level, below.